Your dog's ears are an essential part of their hygiene and health, but ear cleaning solutions are often overlooked. A great solution will help to flush out wax and also eliminate bacteria that could lead to clogs or ear infections. Ear cleaning solutions come in a variety of forms, including liquid cleaners, wipes, and powders. The best solutions are backed by veterinary research, clean effectively, and include ingredients that are beneficial to your dog's skin, in addition to having antibacterial and antifungal properties. There are numerous options for cheap dog ear wax, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable dog ear wax from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Virbac Epi-Otic Advanced Ear Cleanser for Dogs and Cats. Virbac Epi-Otic Advanced Ear Cleanser provides fast-acting and powerful protection against infection while also serving as an effective day-to-day cleaner. It is frequently recommended by veterinarians. Designed with a keratolytic formula, the liquid solution removes proprietary wax and debris, preventing buildup that can lead to discomfort or infection. Virbac is also recommended for use with dogs who swim or are exposed to water because of its ear canal drying abilities. Additionally, the Virbac cleanser has neutral pH and helps with combating bad odors without interfering with other additional cleaning treatments you might want to apply if your dog is really struggling with an infection. Perhaps most importantly, Virbac has an excellent track record when it comes to soothing dogs' skin. While even some popular products risk irritating dogs' ears and skin in the cleansing process, this cleanser has monosaccharides and can soothe the dog's skin and ear canal. Number 2. ZYMOX Otic Enzymatic Solution. One of the most effective, extra-strength ear cleaning solutions for your pup is this bioactive ear cleaner. ZYMOX Otic Enzymatic Solution with 1% hydrocortisone tops lists of vet-recommended products for dog ear health due to its precision targeting of nefarious bacteria and the superior relief it provides from painful ear conditions. The liquid formula also includes a dose of hydrocortisone, which is a crucial agent for cracking down on general ear inflammation, as well as allergic reactions, itching, and discomfort. The formula is housed in a 1.25-ounce or 4-ounce bottle that has an applicator top for easy application. It's manufactured in the United States and can easily be found in local pet stores and online retailers. If there's any downside to the product, it is that it may be a stronger solution than some dog owners need for everyday use. But for dogs with allergies or other chronic conditions or who are prone to irritation or unwanted buildup in the ears, it's the ideal product among the widely available options on the market. Number 3. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes. Pet MD's wipes function as a welcome balm for your pup's ears and a deceptively tough agent against infection and debris buildup. These are great for use with dogs who regularly get dirty ears. Depending on how large your dog's ears are, you may need to use more than one to get the job done since they are quite small and thin in size. However, they come in packs of 100, making them long-lasting and cost-effective. Each wipe is infused with aloe vera and eucalyptus oil and helps to soothe your dog's skin and minimize irritation. They also reduce unwanted odors by replacing them with a breezy cucumber lemon scent. We're not pretending your dog's ears will smell like a flower patch, but they will smell better without relying on potentially hazardous ingredients. Just note that the fragrance can be overpowering if you're sensitive to smells. The wipes also match up to other products on the market for keeping the ear canal dry and free from infection. Number 4. Skout's Honor Probiotic Ear Cleaner. Probiotics use live microorganism cultures to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria. Most often used to treat digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, probiotics may also have therapeutic benefits when applied directly to the skin. While the evidence is so far limited, some studies have found that topical probiotics can be used to treat skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and rosacea in humans. Skout's Honor Probiotic Ear Cleaner combines a wide range of potentially beneficial microorganisms, including Hansenula and Cloacara, fungal yeasts, Lactobacillus, Lactococcus, Leuconostoc, and Pediococcus bacterias. Many of these are the same bacteria cultured in fermented foods like sauerkraut and yogurt. In combination, these bacteria may relieve inflammation, reduce bad smells, and protect your dog's ears from infection. Number 5. Vet Organics EcoEars Dog Ear Cleaner. If you're a pet owner concerned about staying organic or exposing your dog to potential irritants, this ear cleaner is for you. Crafted with herbs and botanicals, the solution promises to clean out dirt, wax, and debris and reduce the likelihood of infection. It also helps to reduce and soothe itching, ear discharge, and overall discomfort. Just note that since the formula is so gentle, this may not be the best solution if your dog is already experiencing an intense ear infection. Use it in your weekly grooming routine and after any water activities. Like other liquid options on this list, it comes housed in a bottle with an applicator top. However, the top isn't as precise as other designs, so it's easy to overpour the solution if you aren't careful. If your dog moves around a lot, the brand recommends pouring it onto a cotton ball and using the solution as you would a wipe. Also, keep in mind that this product is not advertised as vet recommended, so it may be best to check with your veterinarian before purchasing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.